forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. Capitec Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. I'm joined by Sepesival.
Tibo, I'm not. Yeah, I don't want to analyze football. I just want to extend my thank yous and to you. I'm a FANS Wethu TV, the whole of football diaspora in South Africa. They really came out for me. I wanna thank more especially my cousin here, but I call him my brother, Musa Nkosi Mkhabela Minier. So he's the one who came in for me, and in a moment where him and I were not really getting along, but when things went south, he was there. Him and his mother, they were there. Big thank you to Mbongeni for helping me when I was in my vulnerable time. Thank you so much to Frank. I don't think I gave him credit. Thank you so much to Frank for coming up for me when I needed him the most. Yeah. He's the one who came in. I mean, even at the time I was still on the hospital bed, he forced to come in 9 which is visiting hours if I like 5. But he came 9 just to make sure I'm fine. So thank you so much to Frank. Thank you so much to Musa Nkosi Mkhabela. Thank you so much to thank you so much to my mother, my cousin, Tembegile. Thank you so much to my father's side of the family. I really do appreciate you for that. And anyways, let's get into football. No problem. Yeah. Because I was short. Here, you see. And then also here. Bullet Ikenikamo. And then Ena Ikenikamo. And then there's another one, Erobileng Mona, because my femur broke into 3 pieces. So right here, I'm a mechanical marvel. So yeah, but anyways, I cannot say it 4. Yeah, but anyways, besides that, I need to give congratulations to you for going outside. I'm gonna be just the Roshama TV, but it's fine. I'm gonna say my shampoo. And today I decided to support Kaizer Chiefs, and supporting Kaizer Chiefs is thought to win, but it's fine, man. You know, getting a win against Mamelodi Sundowns is not a joke. We are talking about we are talking about champions, CAF champions, and they have 2 stars. And to tell you the truth, coming here to support Kaizer Chiefs, I asked Mazambani Makai. I do support the Chiefs. Support the Chiefs. Because scoring the first goal, I was super excited. I even took out my t-shirt when the second goal, when the goal Sundowns again, I felt pain as much as supporter of Kaizer Chiefs. Because I even sat down, the drink I couldn't go in. I had to pass it to the side. Support the Chiefs. Indeed. Nah, man, no. But anyways, we'll still support you. Thank you so much to everyone who fit in Mona Stadium. We give love to you, and thank you so much to you and the crew. Gents, have a great one. Thank you.